crazy hoe.
Alright, so what's going on? Damn, why I sound so trash? What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Y'all see the title and the thumbnail, man. That's what I got for y'all today. So we gonna plug this in and pretty much see how this joint work. I watched a bunch of videos on it, so for y'all, for those that don't know, pretty much what that thumbnail is it's called a DRAGY. Little GPS, little system that tracks your speeds and stuff. Pretty much like a this is how you tell how fast your car is, kind of. I know that like 60 to 130 is one of the main measurements that they use. So this is pretty much how it come in a nice, with a little piece of foam on top of it so it doesn't damage it. Real small, that's pretty much it. That's all it is right there. Power cord goes in the back. What else you got in the box? So pretty much just the cord here, which we're gonna need, so we'll leave that out. 2 magnets with stickers on the back, 3M tape on the back, so that you can put one on like the windshield and then put one wherever just to stick it to it, right? And that's pretty much how that goes. I already have the app on my phone, but for those that don't know how to get the app or know where to go to get the app, I'm gonna show y'all. So obviously you wanna go to your app store, type in DRAGY, and it should be the first thing that come up. So that's it right there. DRAGY Connect, that's what you want to do. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna just hit open. And obviously we gotta, let's plug this up real quick. I think pretty much the best spot for this is right here, because I don't have a what's name right now. And there you go. So when it's plugged in, you'll get the red light that's gonna blink. You want to hit connect. When you get it connected, it'll turn blue, and then it shows you right here that it's connected. So what it's doing is just updating real quick. So I'm gonna let it update, and then we'll figure out what our speeds is, because I'm real interested to see how fast the 60 to 130 is. I know my 0 to 60 is about 4.1. That's the best I could do with these stock tires, which ain't too bad, but we always could do better, you know. So let's go on a quick drive. Let's open the car up, man, so y'all can hear, so we can get some good tests going. It's gonna be real shaky, I already know it is, y'all. So I'm gonna just put a second GoPro up there just in case. That's dope though, I didn't know it do all that. All right, so let's go real quick. Let's go on a drive. Let me put my other GoPro up. Or do y'all want me to do POV? Let's do POV, that's how we gonna do it. Okay, let's go POV. Problem with this is I gotta make sure my angles and shit is good. Oh yeah, I know y'all see the new headrest. Them joints is fire. I like these. I got these from an owner on Hellcat forums. He was selling them for $150 because he had bought them for his car, but he ended up getting black interior. So I was like, yo, that'd be fire to have in my car. So I just bought them joints, man. I got the stock ones in the trunk if anybody want them. But them joints is tough. I like how the heads kind of like looking at each other. I feel like it made the inside just a little bit more better. They should have just did that from stock, honestly. Like, just put the Hellcat heads on the headrest. It'll look way better anyway. But let me see. Now, obviously, I gotta find us a good spot to even do pulls on. Oh, that joint is tough. I like that. I definitely like that. That supercharger be sounding so crazy, y'all. Oh, I gotta get some gas. All right, so let me grab some gas real quick, and then we'll start the video once I get on a nice little road I could do a pull on. So honestly, this looks like a good spot right here. Damn, I got a car behind me. But what we'll do is we'll do the 60 to 130. It's crazy. I feel like every time I do a video, I gotta get gas. It's crazy. There was a nice little stretch of, oh, here we go. Here we go. That was crazy. And just so y'all can see, the Hellcat can turn. Wow, that was crazy. I can't really see my numbers with the camera right in my face, but damn, 4 point. Oh, that's because I was spinning too. That's right. I got my 0 to 60 was 4.7. That's mad slow. I've gotten way better than that. Like my lowest was 4.1, I think. Let me see. And plus I switched the gear in the middle of it spinning out just so I could catch some traction. That was dope though. That's crazy how it records all of that. What was my quarter mile? 12.1. Okay. Not too bad. I need to save that. How do I save that? Oh, okay, boom, there it goes. It's saved. My 0 to 30 was terrible because I didn't really do anything. I want to run that one more time, so let's go back. Camera. All right, I'll put it in launch. Don't ever do that, y'all. Ever do that. That was crazy. Did we get anything better than the last run? Nope, it doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, we did. Our 0 to 30 was 14.4. So that's a lot better. Quarter mile was 12.5. That's the same as we did last time. 0 to 30 was 2.5. Man, yo, the numbers look trash, but that shit was fun as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna go to another spot where the roads are flat and we could get some better numbers. I'm still spinning regardless, so that's my problem. Obviously, I know I still got the stock tires on the back, so that's gonna be the big issue with just being able to catch some traction. Cause even with the launch, it's still spinning through second gear. It's catching like slowly, but it's still spinning. 0 to 60 was 4.8. Dang, that was worse than the second time with me just shifting through the first gear. I know I could get better times than that. For sure. 60 to 130 was 9.5. Yeah, see, that's worse than the first run I did with just spinning the tires. 60 foot was 2.3. Yeah, I'm gonna go to another location and get a better pull. Let me see what these little rows looking like. Oh, that's a nice little. Nah, I'm gonna go to my spot and get better numbers, cause that's terrible. Solid 150. That was definitely a good run right there. Woo! Yo, this car be moving. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. I had enough fun for the day. I'm done, y'all. I'm about to take my ass home. That shit was crazy. Damn. Hopefully I could. I'm hoping I could download these videos off of my phone and get them to the iMovie on my computer, hopefully, because that was crazy. Yeah, I can't break this 4.7 0 to 60. I don't. It's crazy. Matter of fact, let me check what I got on here. Oh, it was a 4.6, and it say 4.7. So obviously I'm gonna go with this. This is a GPS track, so it's gotta be the most accurate. That's crazy. My best was a 4.1. I cannot get back to 4.1. Obviously, my tires were a little newer at the time, but I can't get back to that 4.1, man. But I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm not buying new tires until next season. It's already too late. It's starting to get mad cold out. Actually, today was a really good, nice day. It was 65 degrees. That's crazy. 60 to 130 was 9 seconds. See, that's slower than my first two runs. 0 to 130 was 13 seconds. Let's call it 14 because it's 13.7. 100 and 150 was 9.5. 2.3 was my 60 foot. It's just that spin, man. I can't do nothing with that spinning. I don't know how to get it better. And that's with the launch. I try to do it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do one more launch in second gear. See if that works. Second gear. That was a little bit better. Damn, I should have ran and tested fucking second gear. That was a lot better, honestly. At least it felt like it was. 4.3, yeah, see, that was better. My last one was, so I probably would have got like a 4.4 on here if I didn't, damn, did I just run it? Did it run itself just now? Oh, yep, 4.4. So second gear was a better launch. If I would have had decent tires, obviously it would have been a little bit better, but because my tires are so bad, I had no choice but to do it in second gear. I think second gear was the reason why I got it better. So 4.4 in second gear, which was a lot better. I didn't go all the way to 130 or 150, so I'm happy with that, man. I finally broke that, at least I broke that 4.7. That 4.7 was awful. But I should have stayed in it too since I broke it. It just felt a lot better too. But hopefully y'all like this video, man. That's all I got for y'all today. I had a lot of fun with the DRAGY, man. If you think about get one, get one. These joints is crazy how they just track all of that. And you get the video clip and tell you your DA and your altitude and all of that. So we was at, this was 1362 DA, and then it was 324 feet, because I mean, I'm literally right by the water. But there y'all go. Second gear, and then the first three were all first gear pulls. So I did launch control for pretty much all of them. I didn't brake, I didn't foot brake none of them. So I thought launch control would help me out the best. That's why I did it that way. But that was fun, man. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna head home, watch these videos real quick, and then edit them all up for y'all. So hopefully y'all like this video. As I said before, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all be safe, y'all drive safe, and have a good rest of your night, man. I'm out, man. Peace.